Welcome back to Tunes and Tunes. If you've been here before, if not, welcome for your first time to Tunes and Tunes. This is a special episode because we're building a new car, and this car is for me this time. So all of my DSM knowledge throughout the years and everything I've ever wanted to do to a car are bundled into this, loosely inspired by Need for Speed Underground DSM. So if you come over here, you'll see this is Raven, and this is my dream DSM. In this video, you'll see how we got it and kind of the beginning of the adventure and the journey. And then all the videos after this will be start to finish on this thing. Obviously this is finished, just to give you a little sneak peek, but yeah. So stay tuned and watch the series. This is the ad I found on Facebook. The price was a little high for a car with a bad engine, but it was close by and I talked him down on the price some. The setup it currently had was far from what I wanted to do on this build, but I saw several things I could sell to get this car closer to a good shell at a good shell price. So we made our way down to go get the car and a few extra parts. I was pretty excited to finally have the car I was going to build my dream DSM with. I have very detailed plans for this car, down to the bolts I want to use. Everything on the car will be on purpose and exactly what I want. No compromises on this one.
High alert.
There we go. Alright.
It's in.
It's in.
This morning at about 4 a.m., Nate was looking on Facebook and he found something. So he messaged the guy and was like, hey, I like it. And then come like 8:30 this evening, there's a 2G.
Here it is.
What is this, Nate?
This is a 99 GSX.
Nice.
It's 5-speed LSD.
Got a 6-bolt block, 2G head.
Yep, and some other goodies.
7.5-inch pistons.
7.5-inch pistons.
In there.
It's got a compression ratio.
Oh, what, really?
Are you? Wait, we don't know if it does or not yet.
No, it has a ratio.
It does have a ratio.
Does it have compression? But there's a ratio. I just don't know what it is. It's got some other goodies. It's got an FP rad, tile, wastegate, stainless O2 housing.
Maho Mushi radiator.
Maho Mushi radiator.
Yeah. Adoptima.
It's got the
black top.
the Tiki Solutions.
All four
engine mounts, which is nice.
Almost all 5.
That's quad
Almost
stiffness.
all 5.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
Almost all 5.
And then it's got a
crushed 1G blow-off valve. You know, the tried and true boy.
I love the crushed 1Gs.
Well, yeah.
And then it's got a front mount, a big daddy or a regular daddy, depending
Are those
on
some
how.
Smoked headlights?
Those are smoked headlights.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh yeah, an FP manifold. That's nice.
Yeah. That's what the FP means.
Yeah. So, it's the start. It's the beginning. The plan is
Beginning
to
to the end.
take everything out. Everything. Maybe not the interior. It's perfectly fine. And go through everything, fix any little problem, make it perfect, and then put just good stuff back in. So, yeah.
Easy enough, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of easy, yeah. It's got compression.
Oh, yeah, no.
Or is it? It's not in gear?
No.
Oh, wait, you have the e-brake on.
Yeah, I've got the e-brake. That's why. Oh, it doesn't spin.
Well, that would be a problem.
Alright.
Let's gank the spark plugs.
At least 2 of them. Speed is money.
Oh!
How'd they look?
Like they go in the trash
Like
because
these
they're.
don't belong in this car.
Oh,
Yeah,
gosh, what is it?
BPR 6EKNs.
Oh, no, they're
BPR
KNs.
BPR 6, though.
Yeah, but they're not.
No,
That's not good.
nope, that's not good.
Do you have any anti-seize?
To just dump in. You just want to use that.
Oh,
We used it a lot on Snoopy.
I was about to say, that's probably been up someone's bum.
No, that's for penises.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
I washed it really good. Turn that. Yeah, there you go. It's not really like really good.
Hairy.
Yeah.
Okay, I forget how you turn this.
So you use...
Put your hand like this.
Like
and
this?
that goes up and down.
There it is.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We have special tools.
It's a little wiggler.
Alright, so I've got the car up, and I'm going to drain the oil. Let's see if I can figure out why it won't spin over. Let's see what's going on. Maybe the oil will give me a hint. If not, I'll keep digging. Alright, I've got the oil drained. I took off all the belts and pulleys, timing belts off, and I still can't spin it. Okay, so it's been about 6 months, and I've been collecting parts and making plans and getting the shop finished and Vic getting all that done, and now we're gonna move Raven over to the shop. Cooper's sailing. Look at the hair.
Oh, is this a video?
Well, yes. All right, let's get this on the trailer. All right, nice. Nice job. Nice job, Coop.
We
Is this your first time? No. No. And not their first time in the dark either. What do you think, Coop?
Well, that's not going anywhere.
That's not going anywhere?
No.
All right. All right, we got it to the shop. Now the fun begins. Oh, Snoopy's here too. But yeah. Let's get to work. So the first mod is to take this Paul Walker sticker off the glove box. I like Paul Walker, but not enough to put a sticker on my car. Yeah. That's a lot better. Huh?
Is that insensitive?
No, it's fine. Alright. So right behind me got the Raven. Or just Raven. Drop the. Ready to go up on the lift. And then we'll show you what this thing's all about. Or what it's gonna be all about. So, let's get it up. It'll wiggle a little. Alright, so here's what we're working with. This thing has some mods done to it, and it has some mods not done to it. Some of the nicer things are the Mishimoto radiator and the Mishimoto coolant overflow, which needs redone. It's pretty rough. Other than that, it's got a 6-bolt block, 2G head. It had cams, but I didn't like them, so I got rid of them. It's got an FP manifold and a nice exhaust, which I'm gonna keep all that. Also has a VR Speed Factory front mount, the short route one, which comes out right there. I do have the piping for it, but I think I'm gonna reimagine that because this thing needs to be a whole lot cleaner than it is. This is a good starting point. All right, we got it up. So this is the first time I've been underneath this thing really, and I'm gonna start making my list of everything I need to touch. So, a little bit of rot there, just a little though. That'll be easy to fix. And we'll pour 15 all that and make it nice. Same with all this, just a little bit of surface rust on some things. These control arms need some love, and the knuckles, so that'll all come off and we'll make that real nice. Rear diff, same thing, just needs some love. Nothing's bad though. Same control arm thing. This one's in a lot better shape, just needs cleaned up and rust prevention done to it. The rockers are in good shape, just again some surface rust. This is in some sort of an Apexi exhaust. According to the muffler, it's a megaphone dunk. So that seems to be what it is. Yeah, megaphone dunk, and this thing's big. It's you know, it's a big boy. So that'll be cool. It's got a couple resonators in here. O2, rear O2 for the wideband. Yeah, front control arms, they all need replaced. So we'll do that. Everything just needs taken out, cleaned, gone over. Yeah. So, not too bad though. I mean, this is not rotted out, just some surface rust. It'll clean up. It'll clean up nicely. Oh, that bushing is toast. Completely toast. Probably from being slammed with stock shocks and 2.5-inch lowering springs. This thing squats hard. Yeah. But it's all very doable. We'll be good. So we just need to start getting stuff out. Just yank it out. Oh, that's like not even in there. That's just like falling out right there. That's cool. Yeah, we'll fix all this. It'll look really good when we're done. But yeah, so this is the starting point. The engine is seized, so we're gonna try and figure out next why it's seized. So we're gonna start by just taking everything out, get the head off, get all this stuff out of the way, see if we can figure out what's going on with the engine, to see if we need to get a different block. Probably keep the 2G head. It looks like it's in good shape. I don't know. Have to look at valves, all that stuff. So we will see where we're at. But yeah, this is Raven, and it's gonna be my dream DSM build finally, and it's gonna be a good one.